On the 6th of July 1988, the Piper Alpha oil platform was destroyed by a series of explosions in the deadliest offshore oil disaster in history. Welcome to HistoryPod. Operated by Occidental Petroleum, Piper Alpha was located approximately 120 miles northeast of Aberdeen in Scotland and produced around 10% of the UK's entire North Sea oil output. The incident began with a gas leak caused by maintenance work on a pressure safety valve. Earlier that day, a condensate pump had been taken offline for routine servicing and its safety valve removed. The pump was mistakenly brought back into service without the safety valve in place, resulting in the release of highly flammable condensate gas. This ignited and caused a large explosion at 9:55 p.m, followed by a series of secondary explosions and intense fires. At the time of the incident, 226 people were on board. Of these, 165 lost their lives, along with 2 crew members from a nearby rescue vessel. Many died as a result of smoke inhalation, heat exposure, or injuries sustained while attempting to escape. The fire was eventually extinguished after burning for over 3 weeks. The public inquiry into the disaster identified numerous failings in maintenance procedures, communication, design, and emergency response. It found that the separation of control and safety systems, along with the failure of firewalls and blast walls, allowed the fire to spread quickly. The situation was further exacerbated by the platform's emergency procedures, which were not suited to the speed and scale of the unfolding events. The report made over 100 recommendations for improvements to offshore safety regulation. The Health and Safety Executive subsequently assumed responsibility for all offshore safety in the United Kingdom.